morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nolan Regan, and today we are going to be performing your steering calibrations within your Pro 1200 display. Once we have started the unit and allowed the display to boot, we're going to come up here to the top right corner and click on the 7 boxes with the arrow pointing upwards. Next, we're going to head to the Diagnostics tab, and we're going to go to Vehicle Diagnostics. Next, we'll head to Calibrations, and then to the Steering tab. Note, these calibrations must be performed in the order displayed here on screen. We will start with the wheel angle sensor. From this point forward, we will follow the instructions displayed here on screen. We will then press on the button on the back side of the multifunction handle. Note, we need to move our steering to the furthest right position, and vehicle movement is required to achieve this. How I typically do this is I put it in gear and I slowly let out on the clutch pedal while holding right. Disregard that message on screen. And then we come over and hit continue. Next, we do the same thing with the leftmost side. Again, turn all the way to the left and slowly inch forward, allowing that steering to hit maximum turning radius. Then we hit continue while we move. Then we will now need to steer to the center. How I like to properly perform this is I select an object in the distance and align my hood ornament with it. After I've traveled forwards for a set amount of time, I know that this machine is moving perfectly straight, and then we hit continue. Once we have completed the steering sensor calibration, we then hit apply. And then done. Once we have calibrated the wheel angle sensor, again, we'll come in here to the steering tab. We'll hit the drop down menu and we'll go to the steering valve. Hit continue. Again, follow these instructions displayed here on screen. We're going to turn the wheels all the way over to the right. We'll hit continue. Next, we'll hit the button on the back of the multifunction handle. Again, we're going to bring the wheels back to the center position. Now, we're going to follow the instructions displayed here on screen, and we are not going to touch the steering wheel while this thing calibrates. Now, as you can see down here in the bottom right of the screen, the wheels are starting to turn back and forth, left and right, as it searches for dead band edges and fully calibrates the valve. Alright, and once it has completed calibration, we're going to come down here and hit done. Calibration of your steering valve and sensor is one of the many items that should be completed at the beginning of the season to detect any problems with your auto guidance system early. You have successfully completed calibration of your steering sensors to your Pro 1200 display. If during calibration fault codes become apparent, or for more information over the Pro 1200 display, please feel free to reach out to your local Berkey's Farm Store to speak to your precision farming specialist.